How to watch live football on YouTube TV with iPhone and Chromecast. Step number 1. Install YouTube TV on your iPhone. Open the App Store on your iPhone. Search for YouTube TV and select the app from the search results. Tap Get to download and install the YouTube TV app. Step number 2. Sign into your YouTube TV account. Open the YouTube TV app on your iPhone. Sign in using your Google account credentials, links to your YouTube TV subscription. Step number 3. Subscribe to YouTube TV if needed. If you don't have a subscription, visit the YouTube TV website on a browser to sign up. The base plan includes over 100 channels, including CBS, Fox, NBC, ESPN, and NFL Network, where you can watch live football games. Step number 4, set up Chromecast. Connect your Chromecast device to your TV and ensure it is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your iPhone. Make sure your TV is turned on and set to the correct input for Chromecast. Step number 5, cast YouTube TV from iPhone to Chromecast. On your iPhone, open the YouTube TV app. Use the search function in the app to find the live football game you want to watch. Once you find the game, tap the cast icon, a small TV with a Wi-Fi signal, in the upper right corner of the app. Select your Chromecast device from the list to cast the game to your TV. Step number 6, start streaming. The live football game will start streaming on your TV through Chromecast. You can control playback from your iPhone. Additional tips: Cloud DVR. You can record live football games for later viewing using YouTube TV's Cloud DVR feature. Voice commands. If you have a Google Assistant enabled device, you can use voice commands like, "Hey Google, play football on YouTube TV" to start streaming.